Hello. In this video we are going to see how to manage the extracurriculars with the Economic and Administrative Management module of Additio App. We can see in the menu that appears the Extracurriculars option. All the management will be centralized in this module. The first step will be the configuration of products and rates. Here is where we can create different products for each extracurricular or common products. If there are several extracurriculars that have the same billing system, the same rates and the same conditions, here we can access one of them. For example, we have a product that is the football extracurricular, which has all the necessary information to bill this product to families whose children sign up for this extracurricular. What can we see? We can see the general information of the extracurricular, and we can also see in the rates section the different rates we have for this product. We can have a single price for all children, or we could also specify according to the payment method, for example monthly payment. For example, the pricing for large family, children of the school team, if it is the public rate, etc. We already have the product configuration done, and the next step is to configure our extracurricular offer. To do this, we will go to the Extracurriculars menu, and we can create a first level of information, which is the general information of the extracurricular, such as chess, football, robotics, etc. Within an example, we can make all the configuration of the extracurricular. We can put if it has a waiting list, put a description, define during what dates families will be able to enroll, during what dates will be accepted drops, if the activity is internal or external, if we enable the possibility of online registration through the application, and we can even upload a photo and an explanatory document. This information is the information that families later see in the family application, from which they can see all the extracurricular activities offered, the dates that have been specified. They can download the documents and see all the information. In addition to the basic configuration of the extracurricular, there are also a number of additional configurations. For example, for a certain extracurricular, we will determine for which groups it is enabled. For example, this extracurricular will only be available for children of a certain grade. We can add groups, remove them, but this fundamentally limits who can enroll. And another very relevant thing is that, in each extracurricular, we can have different subgroups. For example, it will be common for the football extracurricular to be offered on Mondays, for example, and also on Wednesdays, and students can choose whether they want to go on Mondays or Wednesdays. What is a group? Basically, a group is where certain students are enrolled and has to specific characteristics. On the one hand, it has the places. We can have different numbers of places for each group, and on the other hand we also configure the monitors. Here we can see who are the monitors that are going to be in charge of this extracurricular and also the schedules. To manage the enrolled, we can come here to the enrolled status, and here we can add a new student. We also have all the status management, for example in waiting list or pre-registered, etc. These statuses can be changed. Once we have determined which students are pre-registered, it will be time to confirm the extracurricular group. If it is in progress, students can register, but once we confirm, the extracurricular is already confirmed. So what is going to happen? This billing concept will be added to the students, and it will be billed by applying the billing rules configured for this student, and configured by the student's managers. If we want to add students later, when the extracurricular is already confirmed, we can add them, but the system will alert us that the extracurricular is already confirmed. Let's see how the billing system looks like. If I go to a student's file, how does the billing system work? Based on the billing rules for each of the products, the extracurricular is added to the student, who now has the extracurricular product added, and therefore the extracurricular will be billed according to the rates and recurrence indicated in the extracurricular.